What?
My sounds effects.
Time for some rest. Wait, what are Pierce the Sheep doing here? That's weird. Oh well. Hey guys, I'm home. It's been a long day with a lot of burning and wait, this doesn't look right. Something doesn't look right. What's going on? Who changed my floor? Hi sheep. Did you notice anything suspicious around here recently? Well, I guess I'll fix this up. Doesn't look right. And ow! What the? Where'd that come from? Anvils? Ow! Yeah. Oh no! Silverfish! Ow! Where did all these anvils come from? Ow!
Woohoo! Oh no! He's trying to blow up the house! Oh no, we need to get out of here! Come on up! Oh, you really are! I know, right? I can't believe I even found some emerald! I'm so excited! Trading trip to the village! Venture! Oh, come on in! Crime? Is it a crime to have friends? Oh, I feel so bad! Called yourself Sheep Pierce!
Wait, this doesn't look right.
PghLFilms sounds effects.
Hi. What? I'm stuck! Oh, no! No! I don't understand. What? No! 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 Oh, my! I'm living.
Twilight sparkle sounds effects.
Are you alright? No one likes sarcasm, Spike. Hello? Are you okay?
Pinkie Pie sounds effects.